To get a custom crosshair on Xbox, start by accessing the Xbox settings menu. This can be done by pressing the Xbox button on your controller, then navigating to the settings option. From there, select the display and sound settings, where you will find the custom crosshair option. Next, select the custom crosshair option and choose the shape and size of your crosshair. You can choose from a variety of shapes, including a dot, a cross, or a circle, and adjust the size to your liking. In addition to shape and size, you can also adjust the color and opacity of your crosshair. This allows you to create a crosshair that is visible on any background, and that suits your personal preferences. If you want to get really creative, you can use the Xbox's built-in crosshair editor to create a completely custom crosshair. This editor allows you to draw your own crosshair shape and adjust the color and opacity to your liking. To access the crosshair editor, navigate to the custom crosshair option in the settings menu, then select the edit option. From there, you can use the controller to draw your own crosshair shape and adjust the color and opacity. Once you have created your custom crosshair, you can test it out in-game to see how it looks. You can do this by launching your favorite game and checking out your new crosshair in action. It's worth noting that not all games support custom crosshairs, so you may need to check the game's settings to see if this option is available. Additionally, some games may have their own built-in crosshair customization options, so be sure to check those out as well. Overall, getting a custom crosshair on Xbox is a simple and straightforward process that allows you to personalize your gaming experience. By following these steps and experimenting with different shapes, sizes, and colors, you can create a crosshair that is tailored to your needs and preferences.